Hi, I'm Pat, and I've been coming to see Dr. Barker for quite a few years now, and really have found some relief, certainly, with the adjustments. The thing that brought me in, though, more in a more eager way, I guess, was that I was having a lot of pain, back pain, particularly in the lumbar between 2 and 4. Where that was giving me a lot of discomfort, to say the least. So that was getting worse. So I would say I'd had that problem for about maybe 2 years, where it was elevated to a greater level of, shall we say, discomfort. so, um, so one of the things was how it affected my life, and I would say it affected it greatly, actually, because I like to be, I'm fairly athletic, and I like to do yoga and Pilates and cycling and some hiking, and it was really affecting my flexibility and ability to do that. Being in pain doesn't make you want to do these kind of things. So that was the problem, and so it was really a challenge even to do yoga, for instance. So one of the things that Dr. Barker was asking about was what sort of treatment that I had prior to decompression, because that's really what turned the corner for me. So I had quite a number of things. I had certainly yoga therapy was important. Then also um, I did acupressure classes, acupuncture, had an MRI and also an X-ray to determine that there's some degeneration there, but didn't really get a lot of help. So finally, Dr. Barker talked me into saying, "Okay, why don't you give this a try?" So I did, and what it has done is really helped me considerably. I've really gotten a lot of help. I think the first treatment I wasn't so sure, but I can see that it takes a commitment of a longer period of time. So I probably had the full decompression therapy for maybe a couple of months, not sure exactly how long that was. And now that has ended. It ended about 2 months ago, and I'm still so much better. It's just incredibly, I'd say 50 to 60% better. So I'm a happy person. And the fact that it has remained I've been more flexible and pain-free, relatively pain-free, for 2 months since the process or the therapy was actually a kind of a nice surprise. I thought once I finished it might reoccur, but it hasn't. So I have been feeling so much better, able to do a lot more athletic events. So that's important to me too. So it's been great. I was glad that Dr. Barker was persistent about suggesting this to me. I really enjoy the office. The people here are great. Tanya has been a great supporter. Uh, High professionalism, but yet a good sense of humor, which is important. So that's my story. If you haven't tried it, try it.
Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome.